How's it going, everybody? Clay with Clear Creek RVs here to show you the 303 RLS by Grand Design Reflection. And starting at the front, you have your completely unobstructed pass-through storage, your Lippert auto level, anti-locking braking system, tire pressure monitoring, 2 awnings, and lots of great features on the inside. So let's go check it out. So on the inside of the 303 RLS Grand Design Reflection, you have a beautiful kitchen, huge island, a lot of cooktop counter space, 3-burner cooktop by Furrion with the oven underneath, and a full-size microwave. And check out this 12-volt refrigerator. Lots of space in here, in the freezer also, for all your groceries while you go camping. And then you have your hutch on the left side. Use this as a coffee bar, put an air fryer up here, lots of overhead storage, put your mail, your phone. You've got a USB charger, USB-C, quick charger in there also, some GFCI plugs on the top side, and just tons of space in this hutch. And in the living space, you have your tri-fold sofa for bringing your friends and family, the theater seating with your cup holders and the USB ports on those, overhead storage. And across from that, you have your entertainment center with the fireplace and your smart TVs. Other side of this trailer. You got some storage behind the mirrors on either side here. So plenty of space as far as storing stuff. You have a hutch here and some space underneath the sink, porcelain toilet. Overall, really nice bathroom, a lot of space in here. Forget about the Travelify, the pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi service that comes with the Grand Design Reflection. Come check it out at Clear Creek RVs, 5701 East Highway 80, or 24/7 at clearcreekrvs.com.